So I don't know which one I want to use. I have the Lightwork Volume 4 Transcendence palette. That is this. She looks like her. And then I have the Lightwork Volume 5 palette, which looks like her. Okay, so I don't know which one I want to dive into. Leaning more into like Fierce. This is so pretty. Fierce, and I might top it with something. I'm not sure. So I use the universal shade, and I also use the Blurring Balm powder in number 9 on my eyes. So as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in for you. My eyes are mattified. So that, I haven't used like a true eye primer or face primer in forever. And I can vouch for that for my clients too. Like I haven't used that in a while. So I'm shocked because I was a stickler for like, I need a primer. We're going to use the Lightwork Volume 5 palette, and I am going to place all over my lid. So it shifts from, it's like an orange to a deep gold, like antique gold. Very pretty. I am going to take either Radiant, oops, I dig into it with my nails, wonderful. Radiant or Centered, and put it on top. Really pretty. Now it gives it some more dimension, which I love. I love a cute dimension. Remember, we have this issue right here. I'm using what's on the brush, and I'm gonna see how much I can knock off. If I can't knock much off, that's fine. Here we go. I'm gonna come off a little bit. This side has a lot, but it can come off, so I'm not really worried about that. And mind you, I'm pushing whatever's on this brush. I'm just slightly pushing on my skin. As you can see, nothing on my skin is being rubbed off. So I'm going to use a blending brush, and I'm going to dig into this one right here. I think this, no, I'm going to use Bark. Bark is what I used the first time. I mean, the first one to blend out, I mean, to give me contour. I'm going to use that. I wanted to deepen the edges a little bit. I'm using it with a blending brush. I'm using the Shape and Fix powder from Groundwork to do that. I'm keeping it on the outer edge. I'm gonna take this out a little bit, give me like that cat eye appearance. Yes. I'm gonna drag it forward, shaping that shade and that tone. And I'm shaping the eye a little bit more, and see how it's more shaped and a little bit more defined here compared to this. I'm going to deepen it a little bit more. We're going to use this right here. This one is Tourmaline, and we're going to just build on the dimension. So I'm keeping it, I'm not gonna do exactly what I did with the other powder, right? So I'm going to I'm mainly contouring it, right? So I'm not taking it all the way. You can, but the look that I'm going for, I want it to be more dimensional into the darkness instead of the whole thing being dark, right? Use a pencil brush, and I'm going to use that brown color first from the Shape and Fix powders and trace it underneath my eye. Give me like that smoke effect. So then I'm going with Tourmaline, following the same thing, mirroring the same thing I did on top. As far as like the Shape and Fix powders, I'm not going to put the colors on my eyelids on the bottom. I usually don't do that. That's the only thing I don't mirror. And I'm keeping it halfway. I'm not gonna close it all the way in. I want my eyes to be following what I did on the top of my eyelid and keeping it open it towards the inner part of my eye and not closing my eye. Nothing on the brush. I'm just going to brush if there's any demarcation, like super strong demarcation lines. A liner brush, and I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use the Groundwork palette. I'm going to use Bark again. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas right in here first. Back into Sculpted. And then shaping, starting to shape my brows. Use Kola, get these lashes together. I'm gonna do a nude lip. I normally would do a nude lip all the time, and I haven't done one in so long, and I'm itching to do a nude lip, so I'm gonna do one. I love to use Kola from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to line my lips. A soft matte lip cream from NYX in Abudahbi. And then I'm going to use Whatever from Milani. This is the Ludicrous gloss. The Prismatic Peach from Milani. And keep that nearly in the center. Really cute. I hope you like it. Spray my face with my product from Natal, which is Low Natal Moisture Mist. Ow. So I hope you really like this look. So that's it. That's all I got. Bye. Till next time.